Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. This giveaway is just to say thank you to all of our subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Hit the notification button if you haven't yet. I just figured it out like last week, literally. I was like, that's what the bell's for. Anyway, use the bell. Don't be like me years later, being like, I didn't know why the bell is there. Anyway, thank you so much for subscribing. So we're going to do a giveaway for all of you to have a chance to win something fabulous from The Secret Yarnery. What the rules are. Leave a comment in the comments box below. If you don't know where that is, or if you haven't seen it, or it's hard to see, if you're on a mobile phone, scroll all the way down past the suggested videos. At the very bottom of your phone screen, after you're done scrolling up, there will be a place to enter your comment. Just put in a comment. You only need to enter one time. What's going to happen is after the giveaway is closed, I will upload or copy and paste the link for this video into a random comment picker, which then picks a random comment, a random unique comment. So if you put in like 82 comments, only one comment is going to, you only get to enter one time. So don't bother putting a bunch of comments. It also doesn't really matter so much what your comment is, but I do want it to include a question which I'll be putting at the end of this video. So what are you going to win? Let's see. We are going to give away a kit to make this sunburst pillow. Not the insert, but you're going to get all the yarn to bake the outside and the back and some other goodies. So let me show you what that is. Here's the yarn, 5 balls of yarn. So you get a ball of tangerine. This is Kenyan acrylic, so that's super cool. It's softer and nicer than, well, you tell me what you think about it. I love it. And lots of people go to the States and they're like, oh, I'm going to get my Super Saver. And then they're like, oh my gosh, I can't use Super Saver. It is so much worse than this. So this is better than Super Saver in tangerine, 100-gram ball. Also, the same in red. I don't think we even named it. Yeah, we just called it red. This one, same. It's a chunky, size 4 weight. Oh, and also bougainvillea. Love this color so much. So you get all these 3 in Kenyan acrylic. Love that. You also get chenille in white and fuchsia. So these are super great. So 2 chenilles and 3 acrylics to make your sunburst pillow. Plus I will send you a hook in case you don't have a 5mm. And I will also send you some Kenyan tea. 25 tea bags in there. Individual but with a string, because that's how I do it. So giving that same one that I use to you. This is my favorite brand. And also this little gem. So this Axion paste, it is for washing dishes. And this makes washing dishes so great. It just basically cuts through the grease like instantly, like there is no grease. So if you haven't used a paste before, looks like that inside. Smells like super clean, like super clean limes. And it has some grit to it. It's a bit pasty. That's my Frenchie. So you take your sponge, wipe it on the top so this gets a little bit of the green color on it. And then do all your dishes until it's not soapy anymore. Rinse it, do it again. This lasts forever. Well, if you wash all your dishes by hand. I mean, no, it won't last forever. But if you save it for using on your greasy, yucky pots, love it. Anyway, this is a Kenyan gem. This is better than anything I have ever found in North America. So enjoy that. So you get the little Axion paste and the little sponge to go with it. So I just keep it like that beside my sink. Well, I have a bigger size because I use it all the time. But that is that. And you also get a little Maasai keychain that I picked up for you this morning. Maasai beads and some other little beads, little keychain. So that is all, let me try to get it up here, for the giveaway. Oh, this is going to be bad. It'll land on my head. Hook and keychain. So you get all this for the giveaway. All you have to do is comment once below. I will put the date it expires above because I forgot my phone and don't have my calendar here, although I did have it all planned out. And I think we'll have it open for 2 weeks, just so people have a chance to comment. Like, subscribe, and share. Ask your friends if they want to enter. Obviously, pass it along. The more the merrier. And it'll be totally random, a random winner. So everybody has the exact same choice. Yeah, everybody's lucky. So good luck. I hope you win. Can't wait to see your comments below. Can't wait to mail it. I can't wait to find out where it's going to. That's so exciting. So the comment below, what you should comment, include something in your comment about, would you come on a crochet holiday to Kenya? Have you thought about it? I'll put pictures. This place is awesome. I thought, yeah, Kenya's okay, till I went here. It is about a 6-hour drive or a 40-minute flight from Nairobi, and it is literally paradise. So would you consider coming here to crochet with the rest of us? Think about it. Let me know in the comments below. Okay. Yay. So the rules, you have to be a subscriber first off. This is only for subscribers. Then you also need to put a comment below. I will contact that person. I'll send you a message on YouTube. I'll reply to your comment in 2 weeks' time, the date here. The giveaway ends at noon on the Friday, my time. So that's like, say, midnight your time. So do it on the Thursday. For Friday, generally, for the rest of the world, too late. I will be contacting you that Friday. I'll reply to your comment. So if you click the notification button, you'll get a notification that I replied to you, or just come in and check your comment. You will have that whole weekend to get back to me. So not this weekend here or the next weekend, but the one after. That one you need to reply to me. If I haven't heard back from you by the Sunday night, on Monday I will pick a new winner. Just because I am mailing this out. I hope it's to you if you're the first one I pick. If you don't get back to me, then sorry, try again next time. But it is getting mailed on Monday, and that's it. So be a subscriber, comment below, and check your email. Not check your email. Check your comment in 2 weeks' time. Have a super great day. Good luck, and stay hooked.